Yo, what's up guys, this is Mario, and today we are doing Pewdiepie broke his diamond play button because he broke the diamond play button and the golden play button. So guys, bye. Subscribe, like, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
It's the 1 million one, and it's fucking broken! Congrats for surpassing 1 million. Oh, that's cool. That happened years ago. Give me 44 of these! That's it, YouTube. I had enough of your bullshit. I'm calling you out right now. Where's my diamond play
Now
button?
the diamond play button.
Get back here, Ken, you son of a bitch. That's my play button. No! How could you do this? Ah! How could this happen? YouTube, I have one last wish. Give me another play button, and I will forgive your sins. Oh!
And now Pewdiepie got his diamond play button.